Hey guys, so we are going to take you on a little surprise adventure. We aren't going to tell you what it is yet. In a couple of minutes when we get there, we'll show you though.
Yay! It's a really good surprise, by the way. I had no idea.
So we're just walking there now because basically in Hoi An you can pretty much walk everywhere. We've had a really chill day. Yeah, we coming off our massage yesterday. We're still super relaxed.
Ben was doing some work. I was doing some leisure, watching some TV shows.
Swap roles today.
It's good. I like that.
Yeah, it's good. And yeah, so now it's a really beautiful day. It's not too hot. And we're just wandering down this cute little quiet street on the way into the old town.
Oh, one more thing to add. If you guys have not checked out our website, I just finished it. High five. I just finished it. You should really check it out. It's really cool. I'll leave it in the description below.
I think before we get to where we're going, we're going to find a little cafe to get Coke Zero. And then you get to see the big surprise.
Yay! They didn't have my Coke Zero. That's so sad. But I'm getting a passion fruit drink.
Yummy.
And Ben's getting a lemon drink.
Yeah. I really like the lemon drink here, lemon juice. That was super quick.
I got my passion fruit.
Got my lemon juice. They gave us some free tea. Annie's passion fruit drink.
Oh, I just brushed my teeth before, so it tastes funny. Oh, it tastes pretty good though. And then so this here is like a mixture of like dead tea. It's like green or jasmine mixed together. It's really tasty though. It's just like water with like tea. I don't think they like drinking water here. So what they do is they just make it flavored. Yeah. How do you like your drink?
Perfect.
I knew you would like because it's not too sweet.
Cafes are a big lifestyle thing in, I think, all of Vietnam. It's just so hot. Like we walked, like barely 10 minutes and we're like, let's stop and get a drink. So.
It's not even that hot today either though. It's like, I think if we walked any more, we would have started to get really hot, but...
So, what just happened?
Look what I got. I found it.
Found one.
Ready? I'm going to open it.
Do it. Ooh. What a satisfying splash right on you. Just in a little convenience store along the market.
Delicious.
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 So almost there at our little surprise.
I'll give you one hint before we get there. It is something that Hoi An is
famous
known for. Yeah.
Okay.
Something that
That's
everyone...
one hint. You said one hint.
Oh, one hint. Okay.
That's all you
gotta
get.
guess. Shall we tell them now? The suspense is killing me.
A little bit sexy mới lại nè được. Yeah. Like this more sexy, you see. Yeah, see, that's so nice nè. You see? With a little heel then okay, you see? That's so nice, you see. You want a little bit tighter? Yeah, like this one. Right.
Sexy.
Oh, lots of that. Very nice. Sexy. I think this is a little bit too big
So my shorts fitted perfectly.
Yeah.
But Han's dresses just quite didn't hit the spot.
So they were probably like maybe about this much. Oh, yeah, probably about this much too big for me.
Yeah. So yeah, we will go back. We'll go back tomorrow, and Han can be a little catwalk model then. See you then.
Hello. Hi guys.
Hey there.
So round 2, we're actually going to get our clothes today from the tailor. So before when we went to get them, they weren't ready yet because we had to make alterations and stuff. So hopefully this time, fingers crossed, they're ready.
So attempt number 2 failed.
Number 2.
Try again tomorrow.
They were too loose, like they were
Just a
falling down.
tiny bit,
Yeah.
just like around the side part here.
Yeah. All they need to do is just like the strap. They just need to pull down and then sew again.
So
Yeah. Hello.
hello,
Third time lucky.
third time lucky. On the way to get Hanny's dresses.
That was a puddle. Yay! I'm excited, and your pants as well. Don't forget your pants.
Yeah, they already fit me though.
Yay!
They got them first shot. Man, so I'm easy. I don't have a figure like Hanny.
Hey.
She's cute.
Dude.
Got curves in all the right places.
So actually I want to update you guys. So we've started doing yoga twice a day, and already it's the second day and I feel so good.
Me too.
Like some stretching yoga. I also did like today, I've already done 2 today. I did stretching yoga and then also did like an inner peace yoga.
Did you do 2?
Yeah, when you were in the bathroom.
Oh wow, cool.
Yeah,
I
you
was
pooped
pooping.
for so long. Yeah.
It was a big poop. Yeah, like already 2 days in, my mind feels a little bit better. Like just feels like energy's just like flowing through your body better.
Yeah.
Is that how you feel?
That's exactly how I feel.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It kind of feels like, what is it? Like more like focused, like more like at peace kind of.
Yeah,
I like it.
pretty good.
So we're gonna do. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry, you.
We're gonna do like a 30-day challenge type thing. So we'll film the way that we do yoga now.
Yeah, see our
and then-
flexibility and everything.
Yeah, and then in 30 days we'll film ourselves again
Yeah.
and see how much we've improved.
Heck yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah, I'm getting hot. I need
Me too.
my fan. My trusty old fan. It's been through the wars with me.
Doing
No,
work since way.
Yeah.
So we just left the tailor, and
Hey!
it was third time a charm.
Hey, I got my clothes.
There's a little sneak peek of the top of it. When we get home, we'll do a little Hannah on the catwalk tour. She'll model it all for you.
I'm super excited to show you guys. I love them so much. I can't wait to wear them.
Hey guys, we just got home. It's a little bit warm, so we're just gonna let the AC do its
In the
magic
water.
and have some water, and then we're gonna begin the Hannah Secret show.
Yay! Hannah's like Victoria's Secret,
Yeah,
but Hannah.
it's Hannah's Secret. Drum roll. Da, 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 da.
This is my first outfit.
So it's it's a bit longer of a dress, isn't it?
You give me love now unconditional. My heart condition nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before, but also weak and the knees falling to the floor. Afraid I'll lose myself deep in your eyes, and all at once I'm found and recognized. Oh, you caught me, honey, unbelievable. Now that you got me, oh, it's unmistakable. Oh, all the feels, oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. Oh, all the feels. Each time your gaze meets mine, get all a flutter, feeling butterflies. Shot to the heart with all of Cupid's arrows. I'm flying higher with my own Romeo. Oh, all the feels, oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean.
Hey, Hanny.
Hey.
You're so
Yay.
cute. Yay! Yay!
I'm excited.
Yay!
Oh my goodness, you're making everyone dizzy.
Obviously, gonna cut that out.
Puppers. Hey, puppers. You're so cute.